This is an example of a line graph. The main point to remember about line graphs is that they show a trend. In this particular example, it's a trend of patient's temperature between 9 AM and 6 PM. So if you look at the axes, we need to label them. Remember, we're monitoring the temperature and we're taking readings every 3 hours. So we can look at the trend and see how the patient is doing. In this particular case here, we do not start the graph at 0, we start at 36 degrees because the temperature of the patient will be in quite a narrow band. So starting at 36 degrees makes perfect sense here, and you can see it's going up in 0.1s. Okay, so we can plot a fairly accurate graph and see straight away how the patient is doing. Where would you use a graph like this? Not in a hospital, but maybe in your own business. Well, you could have a graph, for example, of sales figures. It could be sales figures every month, every quarter, every year. It could be a graph of profits. And the main thing is to see the trend. Are your profits and sales increasing? How are they doing from one period to the next? So this is a basic example of a line graph.